In this lesson, we're going to show you how to use Power Automate Visual to select an item from the Power BI table and place an order.
In this Power BI table, I have three options. I can either select a part number in the table, or I can select an inventory manager from the slicer, or I can simply press the order button. I'm going to first select this radiator. It has 12 in Sacramento. So I'm going to select this radiator and I'm going to press the order button. Let's see what happens. After I press the Power BI button, it has the information from my SharePoint list. It has the part number, description, quantity, location, and inventory manager. This Power app is connected to my SharePoint list. So I can type in the part number, which is 1007, and you can see the information shows up in the form in my Power app.